way to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need.
Hey friends, it's Kivia. Welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, we're going to be decorating my front porch for fall. The first thing I wanted to do was head over to Home Depot to pick out some mums. This is my first time ever purchasing some, and I did tell you guys before I do not have a green thumb, so I had no idea what I was looking for, but I did have someone to help me out with that. So she told me not to get the ones that had already started blooming. So these are the ones that I picked, and let's see how they do. So I found these at Five Below. They are some stackable pumpkins, which the bottom face is reversible. So I'll probably turn it around next month for Halloween. But yeah, these worked out great. So they are $5.55 at Five Below if you're looking for these. I got the bells from Walmart, and then I purchased this reversible sign from Aldi, and these came from the Dollar Tree. So before I started decorating, I definitely wanted to get the porch all cleaned up, so I asked my husband to pressure wash it for me. Here is the before of how the porch looked. So he's getting the solution and everything ready. And this solution actually came from Amazon, but I'm pretty sure you can probably purchase it from Home Depot or Lowe's, your local hardware store. But this solution works really well. This is a smaller bottle. We will definitely be purchasing a bigger bottle to take care of the rest of the house, but right now we're just going to be focusing on the porch. While my husband is getting the porch cleaned, I had a small project in the garage that I wanted to take care of. So I wanted to rearrange some items in this container and get some removed as well, because I purchased a shelf from Five Below that I wanted to put some liquid items on. But yeah, this little shelf was $20. I don't recommend. It's not the sturdiest. I mean, it got the job done, but if you're looking to store some lightweight items on here, this will be the perfect shelf for that. If you have not seen my garage organization video, I'll be sure to link that down in the comments section below. It will definitely give you some extreme cleaning and organization motivation. As you can see, I do park in my garage, so having this organized is extremely important to me. We have added a weight bench in here since then, so I'll try to add in a clip of the before and after of how things look. So I felt like this sign needed a little color, so I'm going to be adding a little paint to that along with making my own wreath, and you guys will see the finished look of that towards the end of the video. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, welcome. I really appreciate you being here. My name is Kivia, and on my channel, I like to do a lot of DIYs, always some decorating and cleaning going on. So if that type of content interests you, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would really love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. I really enjoy creating content, and I hope you consider subscribing to see what I have to offer for this YouTube community. Alright friends, that's going to be it for today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Although it looks like fall, it is definitely still 100 degrees here in Georgia. Very, very hot. It was so hot on this day. I was totally regretting decorating for fall. But as always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care. So before I let you all go, I did want to show you all the back patio. If you have not seen this already, I did do a video on it, and I'll be sure to link that down in the comments below. I have made a few changes since I originally posted this video. I will also be doing a video before Christmas doing a makeover on that, but I was so happy I was able to transition these colors right into fall. Once again, thank you so much.
Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah.